Hey guys, hey, there she is, Matilda. Actually, I don't know what the name is, horsing around, but got her in her stall. Hadn't been in here in months to work on this thing, but I found this out on the street, and I'm going to put it in the floorboards so that I can put the wiring in. I ordered my American Auto wire, and I just had a couple of questions for you guys. If you're going to wire a car, what is in the way? Is the seats in the way? Do I need to remove them? Of course I've got the dash out, the bezels off, and so I can access the dash area. But are these seats going to be a problem? Maybe not the back seat, but these clearly, if you lay down here upside down, it's going to hurt. And so that's what I got this here for, and I was going to cut it to fit in that well there, the floorboard well. And I'm thinking, as tight as this is for me, maybe take this column out. Yeah, it's a little more hassle, but then it's just mocked up in here anyway. It's not something I can't move out of the way. I just started this thing up and it cranked for a while because I hadn't started it in months. But if you guys can give me some advice on, do I remove this? Do I remove the seats? What would you do? What did you do? Start this baby up. Yeah. Mach 1 power. And then I can get my wiring in and make my key work and just turn it on at the key. Got it, it's original key here for... Alright guys, thank you.